Here's how to download YouTube videos on your iPhone or Android phone. Now, I have my iPhone, but you can do the same steps on an Android as well. I'm going to walk you through either how to download someone else's YouTube videos or how to download your own YouTube videos. First, let's walk through how to download your videos. I find the easiest way to do that is to head into a web browser. Safari, Google Chrome, it works the exact same. From here, we're going to go directly to your YouTube studio. So type in studio.youtube.com and hit go. Keep in mind, it might say that you want to download the app. You can just use the website-based version to do this. So hit continue in Studio. And after you've done that, here's my account. I'm going to take my fingers and zoom in and then tap on this button to get to my videos. After I've done that, there is one video, and I can download it to my phone, to the gallery on my phone, iPhone, Android, by tapping it, and then tapping on those three dots. You'll be able to see there's the download button. Now you can try just tapping on that download button. I found in iPhone on Safari, I need to press and hold on download, and there is download. I can then just tap on download, and just like that, it will download onto my phone into the Files app of my phone. Again, if you wanted to download your videos. However, let's say you wanted to download someone else's videos. You can do that easily in the YouTube app or youtube.com. Let's just go home and let's say this person's videos I wanted to download. You can see Land Rover Classic Defender. The first thing we need to do before we download that is make sure that we have access to be able to download it. To do that, we're going to tap on You at the very bottom right. And let me tap on it again, and then tap on that gear icon at the top right. From here, you'll be able to see Purchases and Members. Tap on that. And here you can see memberships and YouTube Premium. Keep in mind, within YouTube, you need YouTube Premium to be able to download these videos for offline viewing. After you have YouTube Premium, keep in mind you can always get a free trial for a week or so to decide if you like it. And then you can open up that video, and to be able to download it, you can see here is the channel and save. I'm going to swipe over until I get to that download button and tap on it. You can see it says downloading, keep the app open to be able to download it. And now to be able to find it, let's hop out of here. And then within the You section, we'll scroll down and tap on downloads here. And you'll be able to see there's that video I just downloaded. It does say that as long as this device has internet connection once every 30 days, it will stay downloaded onto your phone, iPhone, or Android. You can always just tap on it to watch. Or you can tap on those three dots and hit delete from downloads if you wanted to delete that. Keep in mind, if that's not downloading for you, you might need to go back and tap on settings at the very top right again, and then just scroll down to background and downloads. Keep in mind, if you have download over Wi-Fi only turned on and you're on cell data, it might not actually download that video for you. So you might want to turn this feature off. But you can also choose to turn on smart downloads or recommended downloads, and you can even choose the download quality, whether you want full HD or high or medium if you wanted a bit lower resolution, but smaller files if you're running out of space on your phone.